Welcome to my channel. This is the first time in. Follow me below. Let's get because you can get me. Welcome to my channel. Getting sweet. Okay, let's do that. Hello you guys, so in this video I'm just going to be showing you how I wash and condition my wig just to get the hair to look nice and juicy and stay flawless and popping. So if you're into that, stay watching this video. Hello, welcome to the candy house. It's your girl Jinx. I'm pretty, aka Too Sweet. So like I said, this video is just showing you how I prepare to wash my wig. Now right here I have glue on the lace front. I have my products that I use, my shampoo, my conditioner, and the hairbrush. I'm going to start off with my shampoo. I squeeze a little bit onto the frontal part so I could try to scrub as much as the glue as I can off. I'm not going to say I'm going to get it super perfect, but it does get most of the glue that's on the cap part to come off, so you get to start fresh. So it's not sticky. And then as you see, I just squeeze shampoo on the wig, and I work my fingers by finger combing it and getting the wig all juiced up and, with the shampoo soap. So then, I just go ahead and I just rinse the wig off. It's rinsing off all, the buildup from the oils to the mousse to the conditioner and everything. So I'm just giving it a nice good rinse. And as you can see, all the dirt and all the buildup or whatever is coming off. And I brush it real nice and good just so I could get all the nice and kinks out of it. And so the curls, could get that nice little comb so they won't mat up or, be stiff or anything. That's all. I just want to make sure I brush it real good and get it combed out real good. And then I move on to the next step, which I go ahead and I apply my conditioner. I rub the conditioner as finger combing it in as well. And I do let the conditioner sit on the wig for a cool 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Then, after I do that and make sure I let it sit, and as I do brush it as I'm working, the conditioner in, and I do let it sit in a cap and while I wait. And I do rinse the conditioner off. I don't give it a deep rinse. I just give it like a nice little rinse because I still want a little bit of the conditioner on the wig just so the curls can stay nice and moist and have still a lot of define to it and stuff. And then I move on to the same method, which I brush the wig out again as well. This time when I brush it out, I do have some shedding. It's not bad, but I feel like it's just getting rid of, the hair. Like, I will admit, with human hair, synthetic hair, any type of hair, you're going to have shedding. As you can see, I did spray it with some more conditioner just so I could have, like I said, some more moisture to the wig. And then I do use my Pantene Volume and Body Mousse to rub so, it could try to give the curls a nice little hold and a nice little define. And as you can see, this is what my wig looks like after washing it and deep conditioning it. And I am going to drop pictures where you can see how it looks after I apply it. But that is how I take care of my wigs. I don't do it every day. I just probably do that every once a week or twice a week. But like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And I hope that this video helps somebody out. And you already know. Oh, like dang, Too Sweet.